Hello everyone, welcome to section 6 of our course. In this section, we'll be learning about autoencoders and denoising autoencoders. In this particular video, we'll be learning what autoencoders are and why are they used. So what autoencoders actually are? Autoencoders are types of unsupervised artificial neural networks that are mainly used for data compression. They are used to encode a given input into a representation of smaller dimension. A decoder ultimately reconstructs the original input back from the encoded version. Autoencoders versus other dimensionality reduction techniques. Autoencoders differ from other dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis (PCA) in a way that PCA is a linear transformation, whereas autoencoders can transform non-linearly. Now let's discuss the types of autoencoders. Convolutional autoencoders. Convolutional autoencoders learn to encode the input data in a set of simple signals and then try to reconstruct the input from them and modify the spatial structure of the image. Sparse autoencoders. Sparse autoencoders provide a method of introducing an information bottleneck without requiring a reduction in the number of nodes at our hidden layers. Contractive autoencoders. Contractive autoencoders, being an unsupervised learning technique, help neural networks encode unlabeled training data. They construct a loss term which penalizes large derivatives of our hidden layer activations with respect to the input training data by penalizing instances, where a small change in the input leads to a large change in the encoding space. Deep autoencoders. Deep autoencoders try to learn the higher order features by first learning the first order features from a raw input and then progressing towards second order features by recognizing the patterns in the data. So these were the types of autoencoders. Now let's discuss the applications of autoencoders. There are three very common applications of autoencoders: dimensionality reduction, denoising images, and watermark removal. Dimensionality reduction. Images can be reconstructed with reduced dimensions. It helps in reducing the pixel values of an image. Denoising image. A denoising autoencoder can take an input surrounded with noise and extract the targeted features out of it by denoising. Watermark removal. Autoencoders can be used to remove watermarks from the images and motion pictures.